Hello student, this is the first sub question of question number 6. So we have given the information here. Suppose that the number of items produced in a factory during a week is a random variable with mean equals to 500. The question is find an upper bound on the probability that this week's production will be at least 1000 using Markov's inequality. So we have to find the upper bound using Markov's inequality. Here x is a random variable. Suppose x is a random variable x, which is number of items produced in a factory. So it's number of items produced in a factory during a week. Produced in a factory during a week, right? So, and we know what is the expectation of it. So expectation of x or mu, we can say it is nothing but 500, right? And what we have to find that this week's production will be at least 1000. That means it should be greater than or equals to 1000. So we know what is Markov's inequality. So Markov's inequality is probability that x is greater than or equals to some constant is less than or equals to mu by c. Okay. So this is the upper bound we can get from Markov's inequality. So here probability that x is greater than or equals to 1000. That means, and we know what is the value of mu. Mu is 500 and c is 1000 here. So probability that x is greater than or equals to 1000 is less than or equals to half. That means this is the upper bound on the probability, which is or I can say 0.5. Okay. So this is the upper bound using the Markov's inequality.